All of this comes as Central Florida healthcare systems see a rise in hospitalizations. Both Halifax Health and Advent Health say 90 to 95% of those patients are unvaccinated.
Biggest concern is that we'll see more preventable cases, including severe disease and death.
News 6's Troy Campbell joins us live from the Orlando VA Hospital in Baldwin Park. And Troy, they're also seeing an increase in patients there.
Well, that's right. The Orlando VA healthcare system tells us they're seeing an increase in the amount of people who are entering their emergency rooms with COVID-19 symptoms. They say with an increase in wait times, they're doing everything they can to make sure proper safety protocols are being followed. The Orlando VA healthcare system saying with the Delta variant becoming the dominant strain of COVID-19, the emergency rooms have recently increased the number of COVID-19 tests conducted, adding the variant is more contagious. As of now, the Orlando VA says we have sufficient bed capacity at the medical center along with staffing to address the current needs of our patients, and there has been no curtailment of outpatient services or elective surgeries. According to data submitted to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and compiled by the New York Times, Poinciana Medical Center in Kissimmee has all of its ICU beds full, including 16 COVID-19 patients. In Marion County, the data shows Ocala Regional Medical Center's ICU is at 91% capacity with 73 COVID patients. In Volusia County, Halifax Health tells News 6 the amount of COVID patients has doubled in the past week to 72 hospitalizations. Of those patients, 64 were not vaccinated.
It's a lot of gatherings here. So summer vacations, socializing, July 4th, a combination of all of these things.
With the vast majority of hospitalizations affecting those who are not vaccinated, Senator Marco Rubio pleading with Floridians to get the shot.
It's really not a partisan issue. There are some people that don't want to be vaccinated and you won't convince them.
And again, the VA is saying at this point they do have enough beds and resources to meet the increase in demand. They're also urging anyone who is eligible to get a vaccine to get that. They're offering that at all of their Central Florida locations. Live in Orange County tonight, Troy Campbell getting results, News 6.